Welcome to Fact Frog! We have a quiz with 10 questions about dogs. How many can you get right? Question 1. What is the most popular dog breed in the United States? Golden Retriever, Labrador Retriever, Beagle, German Shepherd. Correct answer, Labrador Retriever. Question number 2. Which breed is known for having a blue-black tongue? Dalmatian, Poodle, Chow Chow, Dachshund. Correct answer, Chow Chow. Question number 3. Which dog breed was originally bred for bull baiting? Boxer, Bulldog, Bull Mastiff, Pit Bull Terrier. Correct answer, Bulldog. Now let's get to question number 4. What is the fastest dog breed? Greyhound, Whippet, Dalmatian, or Border Collie? Correct answer is Greyhound. Do you know the answer to question number 5? Which dog breed is often used in police work? German Shepherd, Cocker Spaniel, Border Collie, French Bulldog. Correct answer is the German Shepherd. Question number 6. What is the lifespan of a typical small dog breed, such as a Chihuahua? 5-7 years, 8-10 years, 10-12 years, 12-20 years. Correct answer is 12 to 20 years. Question number 7. Which breed has a natural short tail? Boxer, Welsh Corgi, Australian Shepherd, Doberman Pinscher. Correct answer is Welsh Corgi. What is the name of the breed that has a lion-like mane and originated in China? Tibetan Mastiff, Shih Tzu, Pekingese, Lhasa Apso. The correct answer is Tibetan Mastiff. Which breed is often referred to as the barkless dog? Chihuahua, Basenji, Whippet, Cocker Spaniel. Correct answer is Basenji. And the last question, which breed is often called a wiener dog? Corgi, Dachshund, Bichon Frise, Shih Tzu. Correct answer is Dachshund. That was the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.